Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another addition in my Planning for 2020 series. If you're new to the channel, this series has basically been my tips and tricks on how to choose the right planner for you to help you stay productive and crush your goals in the new year. I will have the entire series linked in the description box. Also, let's get a little bit of housekeeping out of the way. I was supposed to announce the giveaway winners yesterday. I was under the weather, but I am here today to let you guys know the 4 winners of the giveaways that I had going. I had a Plum paper giveaway and I had a mega happy planner giveaway with 3 winners for the classic, half sheet, and mini happy planner prize packs that I put together. So let's jump right into the winners. The winner of the Plum paper 2020 vertical planner is Mrs. Quida Johnson. So congrats, Quida. I would like for you to claim your prize by emailing me at chaoticcritic@gmail.com. So again, the winner is Mrs. Quida Johnson. Moving on to the happy planner giveaway winners. Again, there were 3 for the classic, half sheet, and mini. The winner of the classic happy planner prize pack was Karen Getzoni. I hope that I pronounced your name right, but congrats, Karen, on winning the classic happy planner prize pack. As for the half sheet prize pack winner, it is Alexis T. So congrats, Alexis, on winning the half sheet happy planner prize pack. And as for the mini happy planner winner, it is Tina Stewart. So congrats, Tina, on winning the mini happy planner prize pack. I will have the winners listed in the description box as well for you guys to check there. Also, I always initially respond to the comment that you leave in the giveaways, but I also contact the winner in the comment section as well before I drop the video. So always check in the comment section for my initial response, and if you're the winner, I also contact you there as well. So for all of the winners, Quida, Karen, Alexis, and Tina, please claim your prize by contacting me via email at chaoticcritic@gmail.com. Congrats to all of the winners, and there will be more giveaways to come in the series. We are not done yet. Jumping into today's video, I'm going to be sharing the planners I plan on using in 2020. So, I've been talking a lot about my Catchall Planner, which is this ARC half letter planner. This is the size that I love. Before I was using the Happy Planner Classic, I have a video on all the planners that I've used in 2020. I'll have that linked for you guys. I've used in 2019. Excuse me. I'm already thinking 2020. So I have a video on all the planners I've used in 2019. But as for this one and what I plan on using in the new year, I really wanted something sleek, I wanted to streamline my system. And this is the planner that I chose to go with. This size is perfect. It's not as big as the classic happy planner, but it's also not as small as the mini. It gives me enough space, although the half sheet one I wanted to use as like a happy niche phobo niche, it just didn't work out as far as sizing. This is just perfect. And this takes me back to when I started really getting back into planning, and I was using a half sheet happy planner, well, a half sheet Discbound system, excuse me, before I started using the happy planner in 2015. So I'm happy to be back in this size. I have all details on this linked in the description box. Again, this is the ARC brand at Staples, but Levenger also has half letter size. Office Depot also has half letter size. Martha Stewart also. These are actually Martha Stewart discs. But as for how I plan on using this planner, I'm going to have my daily, my list, my goals, my projects, and my notes. And these are the 5 sections that I want to just leave in here. And I'm going to be setting this planner up quarterly instead of having the whole entire year inside of here, and I'll rotate out as needed. So I'll be going more into details on this as I set it up, but this is going to be my catch-all planner for the new year. Now moving on to my finances, I have a completely separate planner, and I have a video dropping tomorrow on this system. But this is just a Dollar Tree horizontal planner, just to show you guys what the layout is like. Here's what a month looks like. You have the little quote here, the month on 2 pages, undated, and then the week on 1 page. So this is what I'm going to be using for my budgeting. It does fit inside of this planner, my half sheet, if I want to carry it around, if I choose to do that. But I wanted to have my finances separate. I was thinking of possibly adding it inside of here, but as I said, I will be rotating the inserts inside of here out on a quarterly basis, where I wanted all of my financial stuff to be in one central location all year long. I grab this and go, and that is that. So if you guys would like more on this, I'll be dropping that in tomorrow's video. But this was just $1. As for the pricing on this planner, I already had the discs, but the discs were about, oh man, I'd say like maybe like 10. I really do like these Martha Stewart discs, but I'll have again all of the links for this. But the cover was around 20 something, but I love this cover. They had a harder leather one, but this one is a little more textured, but it's also softer, and it does come with a pin loop. The dividers are also from the Arc line, as well as this divider up here that says today. All of the labels are the Planner Society, and then the stickers and these little flags I have up here, excuse me, are from Cloth and Paper. So that is that. Speaking of cloth and paper, I do want to have a memory planner in my lineup for next year. It's something that I've strayed away from the latter half of this year. The bullet journal that I was using, my B6thology, was my plans and my journaling all rolled into one. But I really loved this spiral planner that was in the October Stationery cloth and paper box. And it has a little pocket here, which is great to just add things here and there. But as for the layout, it has the holidays in the front. Here's the month. It has a monthly to-do list. It has birthdays, important dates, and weekly habits. I'm probably going to modify this page and put like highlights of stuff that I'm watching or whatever. The monthly calendar, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but here is the layout itself. So I'm going to be using this for memory planning, and then at the end of the month you have 3 different pages here of 1 to 31, which is great to put affirmations. If you're using this as a regular planner to track your expenses. Another way that you could use this is if you do videos or you do social media, you can use this to put your posts. So there's a variety of ways, and as I set this up and everything, I will be sharing it with you guys. But this is going to be my memory planner for the new year, and I really like this. It's all rolled in one. It's all together. I can still add pictures. I'm really excited to use this, and I love the sleek look of it. And when I'm all done, it's going to be nice to look back through here. And I love that it also has volume 2020 on the spine, so when it's on your shelf, it's very sleek look. Then the last planner that is in my lineup is this 2020 My Journey Planner by Joy Paper Designs. I do have a full review on this planner. I am someone that has been dealing with anxiety and depression. I have shared my story here on the channel. I've been dealing with anxiety and depression for over a decade, and I'm actually writing a book on my whole experience with it's a lot in the book. So my memoir is coming out in 2020, and I'll be sharing more details on that. But this planner, I really want to have a mental health planner, and I want to make this a part of my routine because I find myself during certain times of year being more antsy than other times. This time of year especially, the holidays, it's always been a rough time of year for me, and I find myself being more anxious. So implementing something like this into my planner lineup is going to be life-changing. I'm so serious. Adding this into my, as I said, my lineup, but into my routine. So here's what the week looks like to be able to track my mood, whether I'm doing it in the morning or at night. So I'm going to set time aside each day to do this. Write in what I'm grateful for, put my affirmations here, and I love Posh Plans, Pasha on Instagram. I love her affirmations, and I'm probably will have them here and in my memory planner. You can never have too much positive vibes, okay? But if you guys would like a full review on this planner, again, this is the 2020 My Journey Planner by Joy Paper Designs. Be sure to check out the link in the description box. Now, these two planners are planners that are staying home. I'm not taking these out of my house. I'll be using these in my office. They just happen to be a part of my system. This one, this budget planner, is also another one that may or may not leave the house, but I wanted to have all of my budgeting stuff in one central location, but also have it where I can take it with me on the go if I choose to. But as for the planner, that is my catch-all. Everything is going to be inside of here. I also am creating another system for my content planner, which will be simply for reference, and I decided to go with the half letter size for that so that I don't have to write things over. I was going to use the half sheet happy planner for that, but I don't want to have to write things over and over and over. I want, again, to keep my system as streamlined as possible. So everything that I have in here, the notes pages that I have in here, if I choose to move them into different sections, then so be it. But the only thing that's really going to be coming out of here is when I rotate it out, my 2020 planner will be in a half sheet disc-bound system of itself, and then my content stuff will be in its own separate notebook as well. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Just to recap all the planners I plan on using, my catch-all is going to be my half letter, this Dollar Tree planner, this $1 undated horizontal planner is going to be for budgeting. I have a video dropping on that. My memory planner is going to be the 2020 cloth and paper planner, and I'm really excited about this one. I can't wait to share with you guys how I set it up. It's going to be real chunky at the end of the year because I plan on doing a lot of tip-ins inside of here, but I'm excited for that. And then my mental health planner is the 2020 My Journey Planner by Joy Paper Designs, which I do have a full review on, and I'll have it linked for you guys to check out. Again, for those that won the giveaway, Quida, Karen, Alexis, and Tina, please claim your prize by contacting me at chaoticcritic@gmail.com. The quicker you contact me, the quicker I can get your giveaway prize out. And for those of you that have not won the giveaway yet, I have more giveaways coming, but I thank you guys so much for interacting and being a part of the Chaotic Critic family. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and let me know in the comment section what planners you plan on using in the new year. I would love to know. Also, be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to the entire Planning for 2020 series, related videos, and of course my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Would love to have you join the Chaotic Critic fam. And for all of you that are, for all of you that have been interacting, I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.